Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset Microsoft account password. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft account login. Enter your email address or phone number, then click next. Now, click on the forgot my password below the password field. Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. Choose how you want to receive a security code, either through email or text message. Then, click next. If you don't have access to this option, click I don't have any of these and follow the additional steps. Next, check your email or messages for the code, enter it and click next. Now you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password, then click next. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.